Hey, beautiful soul. This episode is where things begin to change. If you've been following my journey so far, you know I had just come out of a relationship that left me with nothing. No love, no job, no direction. Just me, a broken heart, a room with my mom, and a whole lot of silence. But something inside me wasn't ready to give up. Even in the sadness, even in the numbness, I started to ask a question. How do I stop suffering? And like something out of a movie, the universe started to answer. I don't remember exactly how it happened. Maybe it was Google, maybe it was YouTube, maybe it was divine timing. But one day, I found myself watching videos on mindfulness, guided meditations, binaural sounds, and something in me lit up. I started practicing every day. In the beginning, even 2 to 3 times a day, lying on the bed, eyes closed, just letting go for the first time in years. And after 1 week, I felt different. After 2 weeks, I was addicted, but in a good way. Addicted to peace, addicted to coming back to myself. Then I found the secret, and Bill and the team behind it. I remember watching and feeling this fire inside me. Wait a second. My thoughts create reality. Could it really be that I have the power to shift my life? Not by working harder, but by thinking differently? I kept going deeper. I discovered the movie I Am That I Am. I began to let go of religion, not out of hate or rebellion, but because something new was calling me. Buddhism, spirituality, energy, frequency. I was becoming the woman I had never met before. Strong, curious, calm, magnetic. I was meditating every day. My body changed. My emotions changed. My mindset changed. People started noticing. My energy was different. I had life in my eyes again. And you know what? I healed fast, like shockingly fast. Within a month or two, I felt lighter than I ever had during those 8 years in that relationship. But there was something I hadn't done yet. I had healed, but I hadn't forgiven.